Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Consider smashing the like button and show your support. And today is Throwback Thursday. So I have a quad to fly from back in the day. Not so good weather outdoors, so we're going to be doing an indoor quad. And it's going to be a nano, something small of course. And so let's park this guy. And let me show you guys the CX-10 CX-10. So this isn't any CX-10 CX-10. This is actually a classic CX-10 CX-10. This is the green board, and this one flies really nicely. This is the second version of the CX-10 CX-10, the second release. The first release is actually the best flyer, which was the red board. This is the second best, and one of my all-time favorite CX-10 CX-10s is on a Hoodie Toys protocol. It is deviated. The first version is deviated as well. The third version is the blue board, and that one didn't fly as good as the first two, but at least it was deviated. But now I don't know what version we're on now, and none of them are deviated. So this, I guess, is one of the better ones, my second best in the series. So we're going to be having a look at this one. Just take off from there, flying it with the jumper. Let's get it. Get some flips out the way early while the battery is fresh. And check it out. And you can see this thing flies pretty nice. Nice pitch on it and all. Nice yaw rate. That's the yaw rate. Flips really snappy and all. Do a forward flip. And this little guy is awesome. And so this one is, I guess this is about 10 years old, maybe older than that. But this thing, the battery was dead in it, and I actually used one of the Sky Viper Nanos battery inside of it. I just swapped the battery so I would have a good battery in here. And so now this thing is back in action. I don't let my kids fly it or anything because it can't be found anymore. The lights are really bright on this one. I think the newer versions have really bright lights too, but I think it was the blue board that didn't have bright lights. The lights weren't so bright. Red in the rear, blue in the front. Awesome. And it has a pretty decent flight time. I think it flies for about 7 minutes. I'm not going to fly it for 7 minutes. Just flying it long enough to show you guys what it can do. I don't want to, it does do manual flips, but I don't want to try to do manual flips with it right now. I guess you could say I'm babying this guy. And the lights do flash when it's at LVC, but only the front lights flash. So the front lights flash rapidly and the rear lights stay solid. That's a little different too. I think the newer ones, all of the lights flash. So let's try to land this guy back on the top of the building that it was on. Whoa. So that's it. The Cheerson CX-10 version 2 with the green board. Throwback Thursdays. Thanks for watching.